A very good evening to you all. This day my package came in and here it is, my new laptop. For those who dare. The ROG. So now we're gonna look what's inside the box. It's a beautiful box. Again, for those who dare. And here it is, the laptop. It's a 15-inch ROG 533 2080 laptop. So there's a bunch of plastic. They did a good job with packaging. The underside. The backside. USB-C. HDMI. RJ45 for the network. A lot of air vents for the airflow. It's a beautiful laptop. Very nice indeed, I have to say. We open it up and there's no keyboard. Oh, joking. Here's the keyboard with the numpad. It's AMD Ryzen with the RTX in. It's a nice one. Eight cores, overclocked, Dolby Atmos, 300 Hz screen. It's really a nice looking laptop. Especially the keys are working great. And the design, like an electronic circuit. Wi-Fi 6 certified. And that's the numpad. Okay, what's more in the box? In the box there is a load of box. Nothing in. It's only cardboard. The power connection, 220 volts with an adapter, also nicely wrapped in plastic. So that's great. And there should be more in. Is this all? No. A small box in. And what's in this box? It's working like an envelope. There's a box in the box, a cover, papers, the warranty. Do you have a question? It's in Dutch. It's a real Dutch laptop. That's great. A small booklet in search of incredible. And there's also a small box in the box. In the box there's a box and another box. And something in, and I really don't know what this is. A sort of hanger for your keys or something. And what's inside here? A piece of plastic for covering something. Now find out what it is. For covering a corner or something in the back plates. And that's the other side with ROG on. So, no cables. And what I really miss is a connector cable that's not fitted in from USB-C to DisplayPort. So this is all the content. You have the laptop, a lot of cardboard, it's empty now, power, plug, an adapter, and 3 pieces of plastic. So this was the unboxing. Of the Asus 3080 RTX laptop. I hope you like it, and see you in my next video. And especially be safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.